Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to add your name in your lock screen. The first step to do is to go to the App Store and search any text lock screen widgets. There are many different apps, but it doesn't really matter. Once you download it, open the app. You can either tap your name or whatever you want. Now, open Settings. Once here, scroll down until you find Wallpaper. Tap on it and click on Customize. As you can see, there are a ton of widgets you can add or remove. Edit or add a text and find any text. Our text should appear here, and just click on it. And there you go. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.